What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best mini PC in 2026 for work, gaming, streaming, or content creation, you're in the right place. Mini PCs are becoming more powerful, more compact, and more versatile than ever. Whether you need a budget-friendly office machine or a high-performance powerhouse, there's something here for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GEEKOM AI A7 Max Mini PC. Taking the top spot is the GEEKOM AI A7 Max, powered by the powerful AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS. This machine comes with 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD, Radeon 780mm graphics, USB 4 support, and even 8K display capability. It's built for creators, professionals, and power users who need serious performance in a tiny package. The Radeon 780mm integrated graphics also make it one of the best mini PCs for light gaming and creative workloads. Pros: flagship-level Ryzen 9 performance, DDR5 memory, strong Radeon 780mm graphics, USB 4 and 8K support, expandable storage. Cons: premium price, maybe overkill for casual users. If you want the absolute best mini PC in 2026, this is the one to beat. Number 2. GMKtec Mini PC Intel Core i7-185G7. The GMKtec Mini PC is powered by Intel's Core i7-185G7, capable of turbo speeds up to 4.8 GHz. With 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Wi-Fi 6, USB 4, and 2.5G Ethernet, this mini PC is built for speed and modern connectivity. It's excellent for business productivity, streaming, and light editing. Pros: fast Intel i7 performance, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, USB 4 support, premium build quality. Cons: integrated graphics are limited and can get warm under load. If you prefer Intel and need fast, reliable performance, GMKtec is one of the strongest options available. Number 3. BOSGAME E4 Mini PC. The BOSGAME E4 upgrades things with the Ryzen 5 3550H processor. It packs 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD, giving it more power for multitasking, media editing, and heavier workloads. The dual RJ45 ports and USB-C support make it versatile for office setups and home networking. Pros: stronger CPU performance, good thermal efficiency, dual LAN ports, solid storage capacity. Cons: older processor architecture, Wi-Fi 5 instead of Wi-Fi 6. This is a balanced mini PC for users who want better performance without moving into premium pricing. Number 4. KAMRUI Pinova P1 Mini PC. The KAMRUI Pinova P1 comes with the AMD Ryzen 4300U processor, 16GB RAM, and 256GB SSD. It's designed for business users, students, and home users who need a compact yet capable system. The triple 4K display support and USB-C connectivity add flexibility, while its compact size makes it easy to place anywhere. Pros: affordable price, efficient Ryzen processor, triple display support, compact and lightweight. Cons: smaller 256GB storage, not upgrader-friendly compared to others. A great choice for students and office users who want dependable performance without spending too much. Number 5. BOSGAME E5 Multifunctional Mini PC. The BOSGAME E5 is a solid entry-level mini PC powered by the Ryzen 5 5300U processor, paired with 16GB DDR4 RAM and a spacious 1TB PCIe SSD. This setup is excellent for office work, web browsing, light content creation, and streaming. It also supports triple 4K displays, which is impressive at this price point. Dual 2.5GB Ethernet LAN ports make it ideal for network-heavy tasks or home server setups. Pros: good performance for everyday tasks, large 1TB SSD storage, dual LAN connectivity, triple 4K display support. Cons: Wi-Fi 5 instead of Wi-Fi 6. If you need a reliable budget mini PC with strong multitasking ability, the BOSGAME E5 offers excellent value. So, that was our list of the top 5 best mini PCs in 2026. If you want the best overall performance, go with the GEEKOM AI A7 Max. If you want the best Intel option, choose the GMKtec Mini PC. And if you want the best budget value, the BOSGAME E5 is hard to beat. Check the product links in the description below if you want to learn more. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.